What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Appalachian Smoke Wagon, and today we are talking blade stuff. Yes, Spyderco again, my favorite knife manufacturer, and boy have I jumped on the Spyderco bandwagon pretty heavy lately. I was one of the lucky ones to get this River's Edge Cutlery Sprint Run Spyderco Shaman Python. It come with this Python decal, and there you go, USA made. This is not an unboxing. I have already opened this and carried it and all that good stuff, so I'm just going to show you guys. It comes with a little Python challenge coin that kind of matches the decal, like a poker chip challenge coin type deal. Pretty cool, just a little collectible piece, I guess. Get your Crafted for Life Spyderco Golden, Colorado, USA Earth. And Crafted for Life, I believe they are. There was a time when I thought Spydercos were more like pocket jewelry, but man, was I wrong. These things are tools and they are durable. I had two stickers in this one. I know it didn't come that way, so this one, reliable, high performance, Spyderco, Golden, Colorado, USA Earth. This is the special paperwork you get with Python Shaman. It tells you about the CPM 10V steel and all that. So if you guys want to pause that and read it, there you go. There's your shot of it. And it comes with kind of tells you the history of the Shaman and all that. And Spyderco packaging is pretty simple. You don't pay for the packaging, you pay for the product. Just a little cardboard box with a sticker and some paperwork, but here's what you pay for. Look at this beauty. Look at those micarta Python scales. How awesome do they look? What a beauty this knife is. It's super robust. This is I've really fallen in love with this blade. Look how thick that hunk of blade steel is. Thick all the way to the point. It's got the compression lock like the military series, except this one's got some little like jimping in it. Super cool knife. Got your Spyderco Spider there. Spyderco CPM 10V. Golden, Colorado, USA Earth. Blade centering was pretty much dead center on this thing when I got it. It was a little tight out of the box. I have worked it and flicked it a bunch. It's loosened up quite a bit. This thing is super duper sharp. That 10V steel is really, really sharp. We'll go into some of the lengths of it. Got a cutting edge of about 3 inches. Total length of the open knife looks like it's about 8 inches. Closed about 4 3/4. Yeah, 4 3/4, almost 5 inches. I don't have an exact weight, but she's pretty chunky, and I like a chunky A lot of guys are going for the lightweight knives, and I have some lightweight knives, but I like a heavy knife, and this knife just does it for me. The problem is I don't want to carry this knife. Like all my other knives, I don't care to throw in my pocket and carry, but this one I just want to put up and hold on to. I've seen a lot of people saying they wanted to get this and didn't. They were sold out when they went to get it. I get up super early for work, and that's how I was able to get my order in for this. I went back to the site like an hour later after I ordered, because I thought about getting two, and they were already sold out. So I got lucky getting one as well. But just a really, really cool looking knife. Super sharp. Action's really good. The only complaint I have with this knife is your finger choil down here. This point right here. When you close your compression lock, it hits your finger right there. Which I know that's a super whiny complaint, but that's my only complaint with this knife. Other than that, she's a beaut. I love her. I will keep her forever. And these scales just look amazing. They're so good looking. These have already darkened up a little bit from what they were straight out of the box. You might be able to see a little bit. It's really not showing up on camera, but underneath the pocket clip, it's a little bit lighter. The oils and stuff off your hands darken this micarta up a little bit. She's super duper sharp. She's got some notebook paper here. I do this perfect until I get on camera, and then super sharp. I want to get another Shaman just to carry now, because I love the feel of this knife so much. It's just, the jimping up here is super fine. It looks like it's barely even there, but it's so well done. It really grips into your thumb. It just grips, and same with down here. I'm not sure how they do that, if they do that with a machine or what, but it's super sharp, just super sharp jimping, and it just really doesn't look like it would be, but it is. And like I said, I just can't tell you how much I like this blade. She's a beaut. Stay tuned to the channel. I will be comparing this with some other blades, some other Spyderco blades, the larger blades I'll be comparing with the Shaman. And I know they come out with the Shaman lightweight, and I don't know if I want to get one of those or just get another G10 Shaman just to carry, because I just really love the way this thing feels, the weight, just how it feels in hand, just knowing I've got this thick, robust, sharp object in my pocket is really cool. But yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to show this thing off. She's a beaut. Let me know in the comments if you guys had seen this before, if you got one, if you wanted to get one, what you think about Spyderco. Like, I'm hooked. I got bit by the Spyderco bug, and like I said, it's a wrap. I'm hooked. I've acquired several Spydercos in a short period of time. I've got like 3, well, on the way now. I'll have 4 free knives just from ordering Spydercos. Matter of fact, I'll show you those right now. 3 of them. One of them is on the way right now. I got 2 of these free for ordering. I think it was Smoky Mountain Knife Works. You spend over a certain price threshold and they sent these for free. And just a pretty cool little made in China knife. It does ride on ball bearings. I did get 2 of those. And then on Father's Day, I got a couple dads in my life, a couple case double X's with their names laser engraved in them, and thought I was going to get another one of those blue knives free, and opened it and this was there, and I was like, what? And come across a letter in the box that said they ran out of those and wanted to send me something of equal or more value, so I got this knife for free. Made by the same company, just it's bigger. It's got the cool like topo scales. Fairly sharp out of the box, not Spyderco sharp, and I'm not sure what kind of steel these are. Probably not the best, but just a good knife to give away as a gift or just to hold on to. But yeah, 4 free knives in the last couple months just from ordering Spydercos. But anyways, got off on a tangent there. Let me know what you guys think of the Python, what you guys think of the Shaman, what you guys think of Spyderco. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more blade content, more pew pew content. Thank all you guys for subscribing. The channel has really like grew a pretty good bit in the last couple weeks. It's like really started to move. So thank you guys. Thank you all who have subscribed, and thank all you future subscribers. I appreciate you guys. See you on the next one. Smoke Wagon out.